Should I knock it over?
You should.
Yeah.
That's a hard mess. That's a hard mess. It's a hard mess. It's a mess.
Of course.
That's a mess. This is a I bet you don't knock it over. There will be a mess. I bet you don't knock it over. It will be a mess.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, totally exhausting. God, yeah. Well, I'm glad it's evening out a little bit.
Doot.
Crash, right? She had a tower that was taller than herself.